Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about my first day at a new job.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi Michael, I am doing very well. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking.
That is wonderful to hear.
Sarah, have you ever started a new job?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes, I started a new job last year.
How did you feel before your first day?
I felt excited, but I was also nervous.
Why were you nervous?
Because I did not know anyone at the company.
That is understandable.
Everything was new. The office was new. The people were new.
I think many people feel the same way.
Yes, starting a new job can be exciting, but it can also feel scary.
I agree.
What about you, Michael? Have you ever felt nervous before starting a new job?
Yes, I have.
Tell us about it.
I remember my first day very clearly.
Really?
Yes, the night before my first day, I could not stop thinking about it.
What were you thinking about?
I was wondering if I would do a good job.
That sounds familiar.
I was also wondering if my coworkers would be friendly.
I asked myself the same question.
Did you prepare anything before your first day?
Yes, I prepared my clothes and packed my bag.
That sounds like a good idea.
I wanted everything to be ready.
Did you sleep well?
Not really.
Why not?
I was too excited.
I understand.
What about you?
I did not sleep very well either.
Really?
Yes, I kept checking the time.
That is funny.
I wanted to make sure I wouldn't be late.
Being on time is very important.
I agree.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up very early.
Earlier than usual?
Yes, much earlier.
Were you tired?
A little, but I was also excited.
That makes sense.
What did you do when you arrived at work?
I went to the reception desk.
Did someone welcome you?
Yes, the receptionist smiled and welcomed me.
That must have felt nice.
It really did.
First impressions are important.
I agree.
What happened next?
My manager came to meet me.
Were you nervous?
A little nervous.
What was your manager like?
She was very friendly and kind.
That's great.
She introduced herself and welcomed me to the company.
Did that help you relax?
Yes, I felt much better after that.
Sometimes a simple welcome can make a big difference.
That is very true.
Did your manager show you around the office?
Yes, she gave me a tour.
What did you see?
I saw meeting rooms, desks, computers, and a break room.
Did the office look nice?
Yes, it was clean and modern.
That sounds like a good place to work.
It was.
Did you meet your coworkers?
Yes, I met many people.
Were they friendly?
Everyone was very welcoming.
That's wonderful.
One coworker even offered to help me if I had questions.
That was very kind.
Yes, it made me feel comfortable.
Do you remember the first coworker you met?
Yes, I do.
What was that person like?
She was cheerful and easy to talk to.
Did you have a conversation?
Yes, we talked for a few minutes.
What did you talk about?
We talked about work and hobbies.
That sounds nice.
It was.
Did you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, that was one of my favorite parts of the day.
Why?
Because I realized I was not alone.
That's important.
Yes, a friendly team can make a big difference.
I completely agree.
Did you meet many people on your first day?
Yes, I met a lot of coworkers.
Was it easy to remember all their names?
Not at all.
Really?
Yes, I forgot a few names.
I did too.
I think that's normal.
I agree.
Nobody expects you to remember everything on the first day.
That's true.
Starting a new job is a learning experience.
Yes, every day you learn something new.
And every day you become more confident.
Exactly.
By the end of my first morning, I already felt much better.
Me too.
I realized that everyone wanted me to succeed.
That is a great feeling.
It really is.
And that was only the beginning of the day.
Yes, there was still so much more to learn.
We will talk more about that in the next part of our conversation.
That sounds great. Sarah, what happened after you met your coworkers?
After that, I started my training.
What did your training include?
I learned about the company and my daily tasks.
Was there a lot of information?
Yes, there was a lot to learn.
Did it feel difficult?
At first, yes,
Why?
because everything was new to me.
I understand.
There were new systems, new rules, and new ways of doing things.
That sounds like a lot.
It was, but everyone was helpful.
That sounds great.
One coworker spent time teaching me how to use the computer system.
Was it easy to learn?
Not right away.
Really?
Yes, I made a few mistakes.
What kind of mistakes?
I clicked the wrong buttons and opened the wrong pages.
What happened?
Nothing serious.
That's good.
My coworker showed me how to fix everything.
That was kind.
Yes, I appreciated the help.
It's nice when people are patient.
I agree.
Did you have a lunch break?
Yes, I did.
Did you eat alone?
No, some coworkers invited me to join them.
That was very nice.
It helped me feel welcome.
Where did you go?
We went to a small restaurant near the office.
What did you order?
I ordered a sandwich and a drink.
Was the food good?
Yes, it was very good.
What did you talk about during lunch?
We talked about work and hobbies.
Did you learn anything interesting?
Yes.
Tell us.
One coworker loved hiking.
Nice.
Another coworker enjoyed photography.
That's interesting.
We found many things to talk about.
That must have helped you feel comfortable.
It did.
Making friends at work is important.
I completely agree.
What happened after lunch?
I returned to my desk and continued learning.
Did you feel more confident?
Yes, much more confident.
That's wonderful.
I started to understand how things worked.
Did your manager check on you?
Yes, she visited my desk several times.
What did she ask?
She asked if I needed help.
Did you ask questions?
Many questions.
That's a good thing.
I wanted to learn as much as possible.
Asking questions helps people learn faster.
I agree.
What was your first task?
My manager gave me a simple assignment.
Were you nervous?
A little nervous.
What did you do?
I followed the instructions carefully.
And then?
I completed the task successfully.
Excellent.
My manager was happy with my work.
That must have felt great.
It really did.
Positive feedback can build confidence.
Yes, it encouraged me to keep learning.
My first day was similar.
Really?
Yes, I spent most of the day learning new things.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed meeting new people and learning new skills.
That sounds great.
I also made a few mistakes.
Really?
Yes, everyone does.
That's true.
At first, I worried too much about making mistakes.
Many people feel that way.
Then I realized something important.
What was it?
I realized that nobody expects you to know everything on the first day.
I completely agree.
Learning takes time.
Exactly.
Every day becomes a little easier.
Yes, the first day may feel difficult.
But it gets better.
Yes, every day becomes easier.
And every experience helps us grow.
Very true.
Starting a new job can feel scary.
But it can also bring new opportunities.
Exactly.
Sometimes the things that scare us help us grow the most.
I love that idea.
Me too.
What about our listeners?
Have you ever started a new job?
How did you feel on your first day?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear your story.
And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.